Where are you from? You want my copies, ma'am? Ah, ID number, ano? So, kindly drop, guys. Sana magbabasok sa akin ng, loving rocket. And then after you drop the mistake, guys. Bueno, naman, guard. You want my copy? Nice to meet you, John. How are you and how old are you? Kindly PM na. Then after you drop na namin, John. Don't be shy. Boys, so nice to meet you, boys. Hindi number, hello. Just recharge. Chat mo yung Telegram. Sino rin mag-side yun. Then after you na, finish to Friday. Okay. Mabawas lang points ko dun eh. Imbis na tumaas eh, bumabawas. Hi Gilbert, hello. Michael. Hello, back Michael. How are you? Naruto, hello. Romy, hello. You want me coffee? Anong araw ngayon? Wednesday ngayon na Wednesday. At least yung madalag ako ng Friday. Hi, Els! Where are you from, Els? You want me coffee? Dapat nababanat yung book namin. Hi, paano? You want makeup? Christian, hello. You want makeup? Recharge muna. Hi, cookies. Send more gift cookies. She drops of 100. I got you. Nanginig pa. For today's video. Hi, James. Where are you from? You want makeup? Dapat ganyan mga babo. Hindi. Pagka magugupit ako. Yan. Nalang pantay mo. So, ito lang yung mahaba. And then after you got the mistake, right? Anak lang. And then after you got my dad is too bloody. I like the number. You want make happy. So mag-tears. Chat pala. Hi, Smart.